And the time has finally come where we can see XRP hitting at the bare minimum $7 to $13. Now, this is the price point that everybody kind of talks about. Nobody explains why it's going to happen. And this video is going to be telling you guys in the next couple weeks, we can actually possibly see it happening where XRP hits $10 due to a settlement that is going to be offered to Ripple XRP. Now, this is an insane video with insane facts, insane information. Guys, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe and watch this video till the end, and let's get right into it. There truly is a lot of things to talk about in today's video. And the first thing that I want to start off with is analyzing the price of XRP. Currently, XRP is priced at around 40 cents. It is actually progressively increasing, up 0.74% as of today, which is actually a very good sign. The market is starting to turn green. We've seen Dogecoin go up about 15%, Bitcoin up 0.42. So again, generally progressing towards the upwards trend, and this is always great to see in the crypto market. But the real news is this right here, that a settlement is finally once again on the table, and that it is very possible, and this is not me saying it, these are lawyers, commissioners, officials that are saying that. In this article here by You Today, it says SEC versus XRP, settlement is possible as commission may not want to risk it all, says a lawyer. This is based on the fact that on December 5th of 2022, the parties have to file public redacted versions of the reply briefs, making only those provisional redactations requested by the parties during the meeting confer allowed to not be shown publicly. In short, what this actually means is that on December 5th, partially the Hinman documents are going to be released. And this could be a real game changer for not just the SEC versus Ripple case, but for the SEC as a whole and any future issues that they may have, any future lawsuits. These Hinman documents are going to be used against them. It would also kill the reputation of the SEC, as it would show that there is a lot of insider trading and conflict of interest within officials of the SEC. Now, there are two main people that this article speaks about, first being Bill Morgan and second being John Deaton. With John Deaton's point being the fact that there are two reasons as to why the SEC and Ripple might settle. First factor being the condition that the SEC would be forced to give Hinman's speech to Ripple, and that is exactly what happened. Ripple ended up getting the Hinman documents, and as of December 5th, can actually partially release some of it publicly. Now, another famous within the crypto industry lawyer has actually spoke about the fact that as of him being a renowned lawyer, which is replied to the previous tweet before it, he said no, but about settlement being possible between Ripple and the SEC, it is very likely. Mr. Whale also tweeted about this as well, saying Ripple and the SEC settlement deal is a real possibility, says renowned lawyer and crypto enthusiast. And in another tweet, Mr. Whale also says that there's a possibility the SEC will agree to avoid revealing the Hinman document, and that a settlement is very, very likely. Close to a similar date on when those were posted, Ripple Lord actually made a tweet saying that he received a tip-off from a trusted source saying that XRP will be hitting $10 in 20 days, which is by December 13th, only 7 days after the December 5th timeline of when Ripple can release the Hinman documents public. My bad, I mean 13 days after the December 5th timeline. But you guys get the point here. It is very, very likely that something may be happening in the background and that a settlement is very, very likely and possible as of December 5th. Again, guys, another person tweeted about the fact that the Hinman emails will finally get released by December 5th if there is no settlement. Let that sink in. We could see what Brad and Start were talking about in relation to the SEC's nonsense.
One of the things I say inside the company is I'm not focused on the price of XRP over 3 days or 3 weeks or 3 months. I'm focused on the price of XRP over 3 years and 5 years. I have no qualms saying definitively, if we continue to drive the success we're driving, we're going to drive a massive amount of demand for XRP because we're solving a multi-trillion-dollar problem.
So the reason as to why I included this clip in is just so that you guys understand the fact that when we talk about XRP, we're not talking about on a day-to-day price action, because maybe today it's 40 cents, maybe tomorrow it's still 41 cents. It doesn't really matter. When we look at XRP, we look at long-term potential. We look at what will XRP hit in the next year, will it hit in 3 years, what will it hit in 5? That is the overall goal here. People don't become millionaires overnight. Even though it happens now in crypto more often than it did before, it's still the idea of you have to invest your money in something that has a long-term value, something that will provide value and services to people in the next 5 years. And based on that, the growth of the coin itself will automatically increase. And XRP is just one of those coins that is most definitely going to be successful in the next 3 to 5 years. It's just a coin that has insane utility, has a company that really is working for it and backs it and is using it. It's necessary for the RippleNet system. This is literally the coin that is going to to blow up. Here's another clip that I want to show you guys right now. And again, this is really cool because XRP glitched out just yesterday, November 26th, and skyrocketed to $10,000 per coin. So let's go ahead and zoom in real quickly and let's roll the clip. So as you guys can see, it shows right here, $9,865, $9,864 USD per XRP. So the fact here, guys, is that it's just very uncommon to see a crypto coin glitch so many times. Now, if it was the first time, I would have let it slide, but this is like the third time that it's glitched out to over 4 digits. Here's another occasion where XRP glitched out to $23 million. So I'm gonna go ahead and roll the clip for you. It's 80 cents, and boom, like you guys can tell right here, $22 million, and now it's going to crash all the way back down to 81 cents. So it's happening so freaking often, guys. Here's another occasion where XRP glitched to 57,100 AUD, equivalent to about 39,000 USD. So again, guys, it's just crazy. It's mind-blowing to me that a cryptocurrency can glitch this much, and it's not Bitcoin, it's not Dogecoin, it's not Ethereum. This is XRP. So to me, whether it's a legitimate glitch or a test run, it doesn't really matter. But what it matters is the fact that XRP is getting so much attention right now. The potential of XRP could skyrocket to these numbers legitimately. Like one day we could actually see XRP hit, $10,000 or $20,000. It is a possibility. Now, whether that is going to be tomorrow is unlikely, or in a month or 6 months, still unlikely. We are talking about in the long span of things. In 5 years, in 10 years, we are going to see these numbers. And to say a cryptocurrency that goes from 40 cents to $10,000 in, let's say, 5 years is insanely amazing. Before we move forward, metalcrypto.com is literally killing it right now. They've released their Ripple XRP coin and their XRP coin with case, both available to you guys. You can get them in gold and silver, and they look so freaking fantastic. If you're an XRP enthusiast like me, I personally have bought both the gold and silver Ripple XRP coins and the normal Ripple XRP coins as well. And it's just a great gift to give to all my family members or any of my friends that are addicted to XRP. They also have so many other coins like Shiba Inu, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Cardano, Litecoin, and so many others. Once again, the link will be down below to get yourself 10% off, and make sure you check out metalcrypto.com. Let's get back to the video. All right, now I thought I'd include this into the video just because it is very cool and shows you guys the power of the XRP community. Hinman emails was actually trending all day yesterday on Twitter, and it is very nice to share the fact that whether you're investing in XRP or not investing in XRP, you should still be doing your research and checking out this Ripple versus SEC case, because the outcome is not only going to just affect XRP, which a lot of people have somehow misconstrued the fact that they think it's only going to affect XRP. It's not. It's going to affect the entire cryptocurrency market, because Gary Gensler himself has said it once that 99.9% of cryptocurrencies in the crypto space are securities. And this lawsuit is going to determine whether most of the cryptocurrencies in this space are securities or not. If Ripple is deemed a security, or in this case XRP is deemed a security, then you can expect 99.9% of the crypto industry to just automatically be wiped out. And if it wins, then now you know that 99.9% of the crypto industry is going to be able to use the Ripple versus SEC case as a use case during the lawsuit if they get sued by the SEC. So I think it's crucial, whether you're invested or not, to know your research, have a look at XRP, look at the SEC versus Ripple case, and then you make your own predictions and you make a valued estimate as to why or whether you want to go ahead and invest in XRP or not. Again, none of this is financial advice or legal advice. I'm not telling you to buy XRP or not buy XRP. I'm just telling you guys that here are the facts, here are the reasonings, do your research, and you decide on your own. All right, guys, so here in front of you is the XRP price valuation model, which is the holistic valuation approach for the XRP's price value based on research papers, which is a fundamental valuation framework for crypto assets, XRP and Bitcoin, published on June of 2018. Now, of course, there are two estimated values. We talk about the low end and the high end, or the low estimate and the high estimate. The low estimate says that it's going to be $6.37 per XRP if XRP were to hit 190 billion transaction volume per day. And on the high estimate, we're looking at $32.91, and this is for 560 billion transaction volume per day. Now, this explanation as to why these values are given just represents the full potential of XRP in present value terms if the XRP success case is realized. It also speaks about the fact that they expected steady state in 10 to 12 years. They believe that the valuation approach is the best method, and their conclusion of the prices $6.37 and $32.91 after it being widely accepted and used as the cross-border payment method standard and adopted globally by financial institutions, corporations, and individuals to affect FX transactions. So whether I agree with this or not, I'm going to be honest, I do not agree with the price points that they have given, especially when you're talking about XRP being a maximum of $32 by 2030. But what I can say is that the idea here of hitting $6.37 is a very possibility. In fact, I believe it's going to possibly hit that number after completion of the lawsuit, which could be in the next couple months. The prediction here that I was given and that my research proved is $7 to $13 is the price point that we are looking at from XRP's current price of about 40 cents right now, which is huge, to be honest. The profit margins, guys, anybody that's invested at 40 cents, imagine it goes up to $13 in the next couple months upon completion of the lawsuit. This is a real game changer. But yeah, I thought I'd include this in the video if you guys want to go ahead and read it on your own and maybe make your own price valuation based on the information that I gave you. But that's the end of the video. Make sure you guys hit that like button, you subscribe, and of course you let me know your thoughts down below. And if you're not already following me on Twitter, guys, make sure you guys follow me at Crypto Geek News. In addition to following me on Instagram at Crypto Geek YT, because I'm always posting there, guys. And look at all the crazy content, guys, that I've been uploading. Just massive, multiple posts a day. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.